How can you restore the default swatches in Photoshop? How do you make the swatches look the way they used to in Photoshop? Around 2020, Photoshop changed the way swatches were displayed, and now swatches are displayed in folders. If you just want to get the default swatches back so you can access them, click these three buttons, then select Append Default Swatches. This will give you all the same swatches that you used to have in Photoshop, but they're in folders. If you want to have the default swatches displayed not in folders, but the way they used to be, I'm going to show you two ways, an easy way and a way you can do with any version of Photoshop. First, select the three bars right here, then select Import Swatches. I have a default swatches file linked in the description. Go ahead and download that, and then select that file. Click Open, and then you'll suddenly have your default swatches right here, and they will look just like they used to. You can go ahead and drag this swatch panel up to the top, and this will feel just like Photoshop used to be. If you want to manually recreate this, you can simply twirl out these swatches, select the Grayscale swatches, click the first one, hold Shift, click the last one, and then drag them up to the RGB swatches. Then twirl out the CMYK swatches. You'll notice that the CMYK are not exactly in the same spot, so they need to come over to right here. And then they're in the right spot. Twirl out the pastel swatches, select them all, and drag them after the Grayscale swatches in Photoshop. This is just putting everything back from the folders into the way that Photoshop used to have them. Then select the light swatches, the first swatch and the next one, drag them up to the top. And then we have the pure swatches, drag those up to the swatch panel. Then we have the dark swatches, drag those up, the darker swatches. And finally, we have the pale swatches. As you can see, just by dragging these swatches up, I get the exact same thing as the default swatches. You can rearrange these and save them as your own swatch file. That way you can have the default swatches, or you can use the folder-based method that Photoshop uses now. Hopefully this allows you to get your default swatches back in Photoshop.